Hazardous areas. Hazardous areas are spaces in which the atmosphere contains or may contain flammable or explosive gases, dusts, or fibers. A fire or explosion can occur in this area if flammable gas, vapor, dust, or fibers are present. A flammable atmosphere created by a mixture of air and the combustible gases. An ignition source to ignite the mixture, such as an electric spark or hot surface. Typical hazardous areas on board a membrane-type LNG carrier. You should take particular note of the following areas. Zones on the open deck or a semi-enclosed zones on the open deck or a semi-enclosed space on the open deck within 3 meters of any cargo tank outlet, gas or vapor outlet, cargo pipe flange or cargo valve, or of entrances and ventilation openings to cargo pump rooms and cargo compressor rooms. The open deck over cargo areas and 3 meters forward and aft of the cargo areas on the open deck up to a height of 2.4 meters above the weather deck. Zones within 2.4 meters of the outer surface of a cargo containment system when the surface is exposed to weather. Enclosed or semi-enclosed spaces in which pipes containing products are located. Enclosed or semi-enclosed spaces having a direct opening into any gas-dangerous space or zone. Equipment used in hazardous areas can be classified by gas zones, groups, and temperature code. Click on the buttons in the left-hand panel for details. Gas zones. This zone defines the probability of hazardous material being present in an ignitable concentration in the surrounding atmosphere. Gas groups. Electrical equipment are divided into groups based on the degree of hazard associated with the operation in the presence of particular gases. The table below shows the groupings used in Europe. Group 1 covers equipment used in mines and Group 2 covers all the other applications. Group 2 is subdivided into 3 subgroups for specific hazardous materials. Temperature codes. A mixture of air and hazardous gases can ignite on coming in contact with a hot surface. Therefore, electrical equipment used in hazardous atmospheres are subject to maximum surface temperature limitations to ensure safe operation. The maximum surface temperature is the highest temperature attained under practical conditions of operation within the rating of the apparatus and recognized overloads by any part of any surface, the exposure of which to an explosive atmosphere may involve a risk. Certified equipment are tested for maximum temperature ratings by the certifying agencies. It is important to note that equipment for Group 2 receive a temperature code indicating the maximum surface temperature.